Want to earn an extra $2,000 every month with minimal space? In this video, we will show you how tiny rentals are helping everyday people build steady income. With low startup costs and strong demand, this strategy is both smart and scalable. Like this video and subscribe if you want real tips for real income. Let us break down how tiny rentals can bring big returns. 1. Choose a high-demand rental area. Pick locations where people frequently travel, work, or study, and housing is limited or expensive. Target tourist zones, university towns, remote retreats, or suburbs of growing major metropolitan cities. Use online tools to check demand, occupancy rates, and rental income potential before buying property. Busy areas help maintain full bookings and higher nightly rates with strong month-to-month returns. Properties close to parks, hospitals, airports, or events attract guests all year without extra effort. Location determines your pricing, so find places where affordability meets constant guest turnover. Combine great location with charm to make your property a go-to-stay for both locals and travelers. A prime spot can deliver reliable income with fewer marketing costs and less seasonal slowdown. 2. Start with one quality tiny home. Begin with a single well-designed tiny home to test your market and gather hosting experience fast. Use compact but attractive design with full bathroom, small kitchen, loft, bed, and relaxing outdoor area. Include strong Wi-Fi, clean furnishings, privacy fence, air conditioning, and reliable water system. Guests want cozy, efficient homes, so invest in smart space-saving features and creative styling ideas. Keep the design universal so it works for both short-term guests and long-term monthly renters. Use quality materials that require low maintenance to reduce repair work and guest complaints. A strong first listing helps build reviews, branding, and repeat bookings for consistent income. 3. Use short-term rental platforms. List your tiny home on major platforms that bring in daily traffic from people looking to book fast. Create a catchy headline and use keywords like unique, peaceful, clean, or private to attract clicks. Upload professional photos and detailed descriptions to help guests picture their full experience. Offer flexible check-in, clear directions, local tips, and fast communication to build strong reviews. Use smart pricing tools to adjust nightly rates based on weekends, holidays, and seasonal demand. Allow discounts for weekly or monthly stays to boost occupancy and reduce vacancy between guests. Respond quickly to inquiries to improve ranking and convert views into booked reservations. 4. Set monthly income goals and pricing. Determine your goal of earning $2,000 monthly and break it into daily, weekly pricing targets. For example, $70 per night with full occupancy gives over $2,000 before expenses. Use data from your platform to track occupancy trends and adjust pricing to stay competitive daily. Offer extended stay discounts so guests book longer and you reduce turnover and cleaning costs. Set clear pricing policies for extra guests, pets, and holiday rates to boost monthly income smartly. Evaluate utilities, cleaning supplies, repairs, and hosting fees to find your real monthly profit. Monthly income planning keeps you focused and helps you scale faster with controlled pricing models. Once consistent profits are reached, you can plan for second or third properties confidently. 5. Minimize expenses without sacrificing quality. Use solar power, rainwater collection, and composting toilets to reduce long-term utility expenses. Buy furnishings secondhand or wholesale while ensuring comfort, durability, and guest appeal stay high. Perform basic maintenance yourself if possible or find local help to avoid high service contractor fees. Choose low upkeep landscaping like gravel paths, native plants, and artificial turf to lower water use. Track every expense and use budget sheets to avoid waste on items that do not impact guest comfort. Keep your cleaning efficient by using bulk supplies and reusable items that reduce frequent purchases. Ask guests for feedback on value so you can improve smartly without overspending on luxury upgrades. 6. Automate for efficiency and growth. Use tools to automate guest messaging, booking calendars, pricing updates, and post-stay review requests. Install smart locks so guests check in with codes instead of relying on your presence every time. Set up cameras outside entrances for security monitoring and check-ins without direct contact. Create a digital house manual with photos, Wi-Fi details, local attractions, and rules for smooth stays. Schedule automatic cleaning after checkout with set time buffers to prepare for the next booking. Sync calendars across platforms to avoid double booking and maximize daily property availability. Automations save hours weekly and let you manage multiple units without daily physical presence. Efficiency helps you earn more by cutting effort while keeping guests satisfied and operations smooth. 7. Maximize guest satisfaction for reviews. Provide a clean, quiet, and well-stocked space with great lighting and comfortable sleeping options. Greet guests with welcome notes, snacks, or local guides to make a memorable first impression. Respond quickly to messages and fix small issues before they become reasons for negative reviews. Encourage guests to leave honest feedback and use compliments to promote your listing online. Improve based on common feedback, like adding better pillows, curtains, or clearer instructions. Offer occasional surprises like a free coffee coupon or late checkout to delight loyal visitors. 5-star reviews increase your search ranking and help fill calendar gaps with new reservations. Happy guests mean repeat business, more referrals, and easier income growth toward your monthly goals. 8. Reinvest profits to expand earnings. Once you consistently earn over $2,000 monthly, use savings to build or buy your next tiny unit. Add a second unit on the same land if zoning allows, or purchase land nearby for similar results. Duplicate your setup style and systems to keep branding consistent and management simplified. Use your experience to negotiate better contractor deals and material prices for future builds. Apply lessons from guest feedback to upgrade features that increase value and booking potential. Market your tiny home collection as a unique stay option to attract larger groups or return guests. Growth becomes easier when you reinvest wisely instead of spending early profits too quickly. Multiple units with steady reviews build a sustainable income stream that expands month by month. 9. Track performance and adjust. Often use spreadsheets or software to track income, occupancy, expenses, reviews, and guest details weekly. Review which months perform best and prepare early by boosting marketing before high demand periods. Identify slow weeks and run discounts or social media promotions to stay booked and on target. Adjust pricing when events, festivals, or holidays approach to maximize income from each reservation. Analyze what services or amenities guests appreciate most and promote those features online clearly. Cut services that do not increase bookings or reviews and focus on high-impact improvements only. Make adjustments to photos, title, and guest experience every few months to stay competitive always. Regular monitoring ensures you reach your income goals and stay efficient without wasteful spending. 10. Treat tiny rentals like a business. Create a plan with goals, timelines, financial targets, and marketing strategies to grow successfully. Track revenue, expenses, and profit margins just like any serious business owner or entrepreneur would. Use contracts, cleaning schedules, maintenance routines, and communication templates for operations. Build a network of local suppliers, cleaners, handymen, and photographers to support your rentals well. Keep learning through books, forums, podcasts, and short courses on hospitality, real estate, and growth. Apply for business licenses and bank accounts to manage finances cleanly and track growth clearly. Structure your business legally for tax benefits, liability protection, and long-term expansion power. Running it like a business turns one tiny rental into a full-time, reliable income-producing asset. Tiny rentals can create steady monthly income and real financial freedom if done right. If this video gave you ideas or motivation to start, leave a like and subscribe for more proven strategies that work. Got a question or success story to share? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take the next step toward earning more from less space.